ka naman, huwag ka nang lumisan. At kapiling ko ang lungkot sa aking pag-iisa. Kung wala ka na, huwag ka nang lumisan, nang mapawi ng lahat ng sakit na nararamdaman. Ngumiti ka naman, huwag ka nang lumisan. At kapiling ko ang lungkot sa aking pag-iisa.
Sweetest downfall. I loved you first, I loved you first. Beneath the sheets of paper lies my truth. I have to go, I have to go. Your hair was long when we first met. Samson went back to bed, and a chair left on his head. He ate a slice of Wonder Bread and went right back to bed. And the history books forgot about us, and the Bible didn't mention us, and the Bible didn't mention us, not even once. You are my sweetest downfall. I loved you first, I loved you first. Beneath the stars keep falling on our heads, but they're just old light, they're just old light. Your hair was long when we first met. Samson came to my bed, told me that my hair was red, told me I was beautiful, and came into my bed. Oh, I cut his hair myself one night, a pair of dull scissors in the yellow light, and he told me that I had done alright, and kissed me till the morning light, and he kissed me till the morning